Okay, yeah, I said this. This is the furnace that's hanging from the loading dock. And I said that it was running continuous and blowing warm air, but it doesn't feel that hot up here, so I don't think the furnace is actually on. It's just running, and it won't stop running. This is some of the gravel on the roof. It's just time. You can see all the fiberglass mat coming out of it is alligatoring in other places. The gas piping's not raised up off the roof covering like it should be. The electrical conduit's not raised up off of the roof covering like it should be. We've got a couple of ventilators. We've got 3 ventilators up here. 2 of them are missing louvers. We've got a variety, an array. We've got 3 different types, at least 3 different types of refrigerant up here. It's an R22, 410A, and the other 4 is one over there with another modern refrigerant in it. It's in the inspection report. Blistering, alligatoring, dried up, advanced granular loss. Got a lot of dead men up here. One, the air conditioning guy, he just stuck it up there, you know. We got a new one up there. Where'd you do the old one? Oops. Second dead man, third dead man. With the condensing unit, sometimes still images do better. So we're saving some still images for you. I think it's this one right here, yes. What I'm calling number 9, and they're calling number 18. So take your pick. I can't find a data plate on this old train, so we're left with just the compressor information. Shallow P-trap, and we're leaking water all over the roof because we've already been patching it. You know, might as well, I don't know. Old brass connector, nose gas sediment trap, shallow P-trap again.